Parang anniversary yung nakaarang bulaklak. This is your favorite? Hindi naman, pero yung tayo kinasal. Remember this? We go with Ama. Family dinner. Bakit naman ganyan yung hug?
Lala, how's the soup?
Report.
Chopsticks is so hard.
Chopsticks is so hard. What? What are you saying? Bye. Hindi ka pa tapos kumain, nagbabay ka na.
Bye.
Finish your noodles right here. Salt and pepper. Can you do mukbang? You have to dip it here.
Ito yung panahon ba?
Nor. So you try. So did you have fun? Did you have fun on Auntie's birthday?
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Love
Happy
you.
birthday, Auntie.
Love you,
Bye.
Auntie.
I love you, Auntie. But I don't. I know. Sorry, guys. Bye. I don't remember. I don't remember your name. I don't remember. Okay, bye, guys. What do you say?
Hi.
Hi guys, tonight I dressed up to
That.
shop okay. I don't remember your name, but I can dance. Bye. I don't remember your name. I don't remember your name. I love you.
So how was dinner? How was dinner? It was good, but we still have exams tomorrow. Where are you? Of course. Can you vlog? Can you vlog? Where are we going next?
We're gonna go to the...
Show your face. Where are we going?
I don't know where we're
Gonna go home or not go home?
I'd go home if I could go home back
Borrow that.
later, but I just thought.
Did you know where mommy and daddy got married? Here.
Here?
Yeah, here.
I want a baby at the top.
Not yet.